What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw the ASM chart for this given state diagram. Here first we have to find out whether this is a mealy state or more state. To find that one out, we can easily see when we have this two numbers with slash like 1/1, that's mealy. When you have without slash like 1 straight ahead, that's more. The difference between mealy and more is, for mealy we know that this is our input, the first number is input, and the second number is output. So if the second number output is greater, whenever we have greater than 0, we will have a conditional box like this. In this one we write the output. Now from this one you can see this is a mealy state diagram, so we are going to deal with this output. Whenever we have output 1, we are going to put a state diagram like this, like circle kind of box. Okay, that's the difference. For more, there's no this conditional box. That's the difference. Now let's go ahead and draw the ASM chart for this given state diagram. Now here you can see we have three states, S0, S1, S2. Let's put them in a state box. This is S1, S2, and S3. And from this one you can clearly see we have just one input because we only have one number. So one input means we always put an X for that. Now after that we have to make a decision box. This is S, actually it's starting from S0, S1, S2. Okay, one input, and we will have a decision box. This is X, and here we will have 0 and 1. Let's write the X clearly. 0 and 1. Now let's see what are the things that's going from S0. For S0 you can see when the input is 0, output is 0. When the input is 0, output is 0, and it goes back to S0. So we just connect directly like this. Since output is 0, we don't have to write the conditional box. And also S0, when the input is 1, output is 1, and it goes to S1. It goes to X1. Since we have this output 1 that is greater than 0, we have to put a conditional box like this. That is circle kind of box. And in this one we will write the output name, that is Z. And that one connected to here. That's all going from S0. Now let's go to the S1. X. And here we have two decisions, 0 and 1. Then from S1, when the input is 0, output is 1. When the input is 0, output is 1, and it goes back to S1. Here we will have a conditional box like this. This is Z, and it goes back to S1. And when the input is 1, the output is 0, it goes to S2. Output is 0, so we don't have to put a conditional box. We can just directly connect them. And let's go to S2. S2, when the input is 0, output is 0, and it goes back to S2. Zero, 1, output is 0, goes back to S2. Now when the input is 1, output is 1, goes to S0. And since output is 1, we have to put a conditional box like this, a circle kind of box, goes to S0. And this is the ASM chart for the given state diagram, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Digital Logic Design 2 or Computer Architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.